boxes. Let's open this bad boy. I know one of those is a puffer. I'm so excited. Ooh, it's fleece neck lining. Lightweight, breathable insulation made with Sorona, partially plant-based polymer. Whoa, this logo. Heat raised and it's 3D. This is great because I haven't done an unboxing on YouTube before. So you get my first impression as well as like a detailed review. Ooh, it is fleece lining inside. Oh, she's warm. Oh, shut up. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll do the whole review later, but there is an inside detail of Oner logo. How stinking cool is that? And the thumb hole, I'm obsessed. Oh my god, my mom's gonna want this. Fleece pocket. Amazing, amazing. Next we have all-day lightweight V-neck sweatshirt. Cute in size small. Next up, classic oversized lightweight t-shirt midnight blue. These we've launched before, the embroidered logos. Next box. I was wondering why I had 4 boxes. I think they accidentally sent me repeats. This is the same puffer coat, so I'm gonna have to return this. Next up, cargo joggers in medium long length in gray marls. I asked them to send it to me in a medium to try this out. Oh, the Crewneck. I think I have this also. The only difference between the one I have and this is an all day, so it's not as thick, it's not like fleeced inside. This is a sweatshirt in the midnight blue. How beautiful is this color? Next, all day lightweight cargo jogger khaki medium long length. Midnight joggers, and these are the cargo joggers in a small. So I'll try this one on for you versus what the medium looks like. I like them super duper uber baggy, okay? All right, you guys, so I have my handy dandy laptop with all my notes here. I do have a name of this capsule. It's called On the Move capsule, and it launches on Thursday, October 19th at 9 a.m. PDT, 12 p.m. EDT, 5 p.m. BST, and 6 p.m. CEST. Before I start, I'm gonna let you guys know on my sizing, my measurements, so that you can see my sizing and how it matches for you guys. So I'm about 5'6" right now. I'm about 145 pounds. My chest is about 32B. My waist is 26 inches. And then my glutes are 38, 39 inches. Actually, no, because I measured it for the last time and it's actually 39, 40 inches. So she's grown a little bit. My quads are 22 inches. For all the bottoms that I prefer for the joggers, I'm a medium. I can fit into a small. That was my previous size that I like to go for the joggers, but I like them extra baggy. And then for the hoodies that you guys are gonna be seeing is in a size small, as well as a t-shirt, I believe is a medium. I like the t-shirt like really oversized so that I can tuck it in, you know, wear those shorts. Okay, let's get on with this try on haul. I'm going to start with the puffer again because she is the main character. She is the moment. What's really cool about this jacket is it's partly plant-based insulation fibers. That's amazing. Neck is fleece lined, as well as the inside are also fleece lined. There is inner pocket here for your phone. There's drawstrings on the inside so that you can cinch it to make it like a cropped look. So we also have the storm cuff with thumb holes. You can wear gloves as well as use these thumb holes to keep you extra warm. This is insanely warm. So the logos, there's 2. There's one up here as well as in the back, and they're both heat raised in 3D. Beautiful. Like, I just like a subtle, elegant look of a logo, and it's just not in your face. Amazing. It's like a two-tone to the actual coat color. The color that I'm wearing is khaki. We also have deep mauve as well as black. I'm probably gonna get the black one, not gonna lie, just because you can't ever go wrong with a black, and it's just beautiful. The zipper has a logo, as well as like the zipper lining has such a subtle black logo printed down. It's just about the details. I love a good detail moment, and I think it's just so nice. There's also a logo on the zipper of the pockets as well. The pockets are also fleece lined, so if your hands get cold and you put it in here, don't you worry, it's also fleece lined. I'm wearing a size small. I like it looking boxy. I'm a small in the Melissoft tee. All the bras I'm a small in, so I would stick to your true size. Let's go on to the cargo joggers as well as this hoodie and the sweatshirt. These have launched before, so if you've gotten them before, 6 of the sizes that you've gotten before, unless you want to see what it's like to size up one more to make it look baggy. This is the all-day lightweight joggers. So the first ever all-day pieces that we had were a little bit heavier of a material. The inside fabric is a cotton loop back lining, which is very, very light. It kind of reminds me of like linen towel lining. It's a very breathable material. These joggers are in size medium, and this is what I meant by I like them super duper uber baggy. I'm making it a low waist and then wearing a Mellow Soft tee top on top of it. These have these button pockets, the snapback pockets right here. So there's 2 of those on each side. There's a raised embroidered logo on here, and then we have 2 slip pockets, but on the right hand side of the pocket we do have an inner zip pocket. It's like a hidden pocket for you to put anything valuable, credit card if you don't carry a wallet. They're supposed to fit high-waisted, so this is how it would look high-waisted on me, and there's a drawstring for you to tighten. We do have like a cinched ankle cuffs on each side. I'm wearing the long legs because I am 5'6" and I do have long legs. These are restocking in black, cool brown, light gray marl, khaki, midnight blue, and deep taupe. So this is a full fit in the khaki. This is called the all-day lightweight sweatshirt. In America, we call this a crewneck, but I guess in the UK, we call them sweatshirts. Because when I heard the word sweatshirt, I'm thinking hoodies, but it's a crewneck. It's just like the joggers in the sense that we have the raised embroidered logo. It's just an oversized fit. I'm wearing a size small. The cuffs are lined. Same thing as the joggers. It is cotton loop back lining. So very, very breathable. So this is the all-day lightweight V-neck sweatshirt. So we have the V-neck lining here as well as the rib handcuffs, and then the waist here is snatched. It is also ribbed. When I wear these 2 together, I raise these up. So it's cinched, it snatches you in the waist, so it kind of gives you that shape. It's just like the sweatpants as well as the crew neck that I just showed you, where it is a cotton loop back fabric, and then the logo is the raised embroidered logo. So this I'm wearing a size small as well. So it comes in black, cool brown, light gray marl, khaki, midnight blue, and deep taupe. All of the all-day lightweight lounge sets are coming in the 6 colors. Okay, you guys, that was a very, very short try-on haul, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just the all-day lounge set as well as the puffer coat, puffer jacket that is launching for this On The Move capsule. I've never done an all-day lightweight lounge set review on YouTube before, so I wanted to get that up there for anyone to reference it in the future. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Bye!